I'm at the junction of Kaiser Street and First Cross Street in Petta. Petta has everything that you'd ever want if you want to shop for anything you need. And at first it looks like it's crazy, it's chaotic, and you'd have to be nuts to come here to shop for anything. But if you know what to get where, and if you know how to get around these streets, you can actually walk away with a lot of cool stuff without really paying much at all. We're on Main Street right now, and this is where you get a better quality of clothes and shoes and bags. If you really want some good stuff that's better than the stuff in interior of Petta, then you have to go down Main Street. There's different streets, like if you know what to get where, then your visit to Petta is going to be awesome. On Prince Street, you have the Dutch Museum. You have to just stop by there to check out all this old stuff from the Dutch period. Some of the buildings down 4th Cross Street and 5th Cross Street are from the old Dutch period. But then there's also traders there who are selling onions and vegetables. So you don't really notice the architecture. And on 2nd Cross Street, you have the Red Mosque at the end, and you have the Acharu guy there and the guys who sell samosas and shorties during Ramazan. On Maliban Street, you get wedding cards and special paper and all the stationery that you need. If you stop at the junctions between the streets, you'll find the fruit vendors. You can find tambili, grapes, oranges, whatever you need for like 50 rupees for a bag. So you need to try that out when you're in Petta.